My friends, Dan the Man here, breaking in to the beginning of the video this time. Vaporessor Gen. People tell me that I need to do this part coming up right here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Ramalama ding dong. My friends, Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. The Vaporessor Gen. Stick around. My friends, Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. The Vaporessor Gen. Now, it doesn't come with the Twisted Messes 24 Pro, but it sure looks sexy AF, doesn't it? That's a perfect freaking match. If you want the Pro, Twisted Messes Pro, 24 Pro, you can get it on his website. The blue won't wear off because it's not paint. Figure that one out. Now, I changed up whether I like it or not, I'm going to tell you right up front. Now, I received this mod from healthcabin.net, and they are having some supreme sales right now, y'all. Jump in there and check this shit out. They also have warehouses in Australia, 2 in the States, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and just all around. They got them. They got them. You want them. They got them. I'm stopping now. It's, okay, so yeah, healthcabin.net. Didn't pay for it. And yes, that will change my opinion. Wait, what'd I just say? No, it won't. Yes, it will. I don't know. You guys probably know it won't change my opinion because I've given stuff bad reviews before, and I've even been yelled at by y'all from it. No, not from y'all, but you know. Okay, I'm babbling. Let's continue. See that? Let's get a close-up of it. There we go. There we go. See it? It's. Can you hear it? It's a textured, and it's wonderful with scratches. I can take it out with me and not worry about it getting all scratched up. Like this, I haven't taken this out yet at all. This one I can go out of the house with. Now I am a dummy. You see how sharp these things are sharp, okay? I had to start this video over because I did some, well, I don't know why, because I'm dumb, because I'm an idiot. Anyways, yes, I like this. Yes, I'll buy it again. And if you want to learn more about it, stick around. We're going to go through the menu because it's got a new chip in it, the Axon chip. Look at how clean that is, too. It's very nice. And the negative and positive are clearly marked, even though it's black on black. You can still see it. See now? Oh, yeah. Let's check out this at least. Darn it. I'm so aggravating with this stupid. New load, old load. So new load, yes. Check it out. Scanning. I like that. Anyway, yeah. It doesn't take much, does it? It's a little warm. It needs to cool down a bit. Still vaping on the Nugget Delight, y'all. And this is Nugget Delight Whoops. 2. Alright. Where was I? So yes, I would. I'd get one. I'm in love with this. Okay, I'm gonna jump down. Let's do it. Okay, here we are with the up close. Let me show you the one major con I have with this. Right there, look at that. Obviously, I've been using it. And that is so disappointing right there, y'all. I mean, look at that. I've tried really hard not to mess with it. Now you just see me pull that completely off. And I would assume it would go all the way down the side, which would suck. You can also see discoloration. If you look, you see it? And it's dry. You can see it there too more clearly, the discoloration. It's slight, but I would rather have the discoloration than the paint coming off like that, man. That is so disappointing. It's not a deal breaker though, but it is disappointing. Oh, and man alive, is this thing light? And that's with 2 batteries in it. Sometimes I pick it up and think that that it doesn't have any batteries in it. And no, look at this. No play at all. It's just a gorgeous mod. Oh, did I tell you guys what I did? I took this and like, hey look, I'm scratching and it won't show up. But it does. See, now that it doesn't, but you put some pointy ass things like that and it will. See, I did it right there, you can see. Anywho, and it's still, there's a little bit of scratches there from it. I wished I wouldn't have done that. Either one of them. But I just wanted to show the, you know, it doesn't scratch that much. I can take it outside, and I already said all that. So let's quit repeating myself. Push and hold, or push 3 times the center button. Or pushing, or three times. There. Pulse mode. Now I've looked. They don't say a lot on their website about it. The pulse mode is going to be kind of like pulse width modulation is my guess. But you don't hear it, and I certainly don't feel it. Pulse mode. And then power economy mode. I'll do that back on top. We've got smart temperature control, which is a pretty cool. I'll get to that. Then the DIY mode, which is exactly like, oh yeah, the Omni board. But we'll get to that too. And system set. All right, so let's first go to the Smart TC. Okay, I'm putting on a stainless steel coil. Of course, it's not a coil, obviously, right? Heating element, whatever you want to call it. Stainless steel wire I'm putting on here. And Smart TC, you've seen it pop up. New load, yes. Scanning. Smart TC, yes or no? Yes. Whoops. Yes. And you hit the center button. Dummy. Okay, so it pops up. It's 0.95, 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and the STC is Smart Temp Control. Okay, now the reason I've wanted to show you that is it works, and that's awesome, but it doesn't work with a Clapton coil. And I tried all stainless steel Clapton coil, and then that didn't work, and so I tried with stainless steel core and wrapped with Kanthal. I did a stainless steel core wrapped with nichrome, and none of that worked. And so then I did a nichrome core wrapped with stainless steel. That didn't work. And I did a Kanthal core wrapped with stainless steel, and that didn't work. So basically, the Smart TC will only work on a round wire build, or I would guess a sub-ohm pre-made tank coil thing. You know, like that. I gotta say, I really like that Smart TC, and I wish it worked. And I wish it worked in with a Clapton. Yeah, you know what? Let's put. I mean, it's sexy with that Twisted Message 24 Pro on it. But this is the tank that comes with it. It's the Scurvy. The Scurvy tank, or Scurus. Whatever. Okay, now, new load, yes or no? Yes. Scanning. Huh? It still got me at stainless. Yeah. But I'm not sure, to be honest, you guys. You know what? Although, I'm not that sure about the temp control on this thing, because you can do temp control. I did a Kanthal build and then used temp control stainless steel, nichrome, or I'm sorry, stainless steel, nickel, and the other one. And it worked on all of them. And also with the stainless steel build I made, it didn't work like it's supposed to. Like, I was able to get a burned hit on it. Oh, see, so now it showed the pull. The pulse. P-U-L, that's the pulse. Yeah, I don't get it, man. Alrighty, let's get back to this, shall we, my friends? So, the battery shows the percentage. Let's change the battery, shall we, my friends? Do not use batteries with broken skin. Please use high-rate discharge batteries for optimum performance. Positive up. That's this. Negative up. 3 presses of the middle button, or press and hold. Power economy, we've already talked about that. Saves your battery, and I didn't notice a big difference between power economy and pulse mode. Smart TC, we've already gone through. DIY mode. Okay, variable wattage, variable temp, variable voltage, CCW, which is the curve, bypass, super player. You guys remember super player from the last one? That just means you can go down to 0.03 ohms, which, wow. And exit. So DIY mode, system set. So you can do puff counter, brightness, flip screen, yes, no. What's upside down? What happened? Auto economy on and off. Oh, I didn't know it had that. Yeah, you can tell I really went through this, didn't I? Default version, Axon chip version 1.0. And there it is. Alright then, my friends. I was vaping at 76 watts with I'll be doing a review for very soon. It's not a bad RDA. It's no Twisted Messes, but it's a good RDA. I'm a Twisted Messes fan, right? One of the things I do like is once you get up to 100, it goes by the one increment. Now you can get it to go one increment instead of the point, which I don't know why they're still doing the point stuff. 20, I'd say 30 watts and below, I want the 0.1 because that's where I'm doing my mouth along stuff. I would do the points. But after that, it should be going one increment instead of 9/10. So if you just push and hold it, see that? It's a little timing and stuff, but it works. All in all, I dig it. It's Danny Man signing out. Peace. Let's do that again. All in all, I like this mod a lot. I like the two-tone. The blue rocks, mostly because my Twisted Messes is Matchy Matchy on that. I want another one. I want a green one. Yeah. The Vaporessor Gen, my friends.